Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Tesla Model Y cabin air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that helps keep your cabin air fresh and clean. You'll need two new filters, a plastic pry tool, and a T20 Torx screwdriver. First, ensure your climate control is off. Then move the passenger seat all the way back and remove the floor mat to give yourself plenty of room to work in the footwell area. Now let's get to the filter housing. Gently use a plastic pry tool to release the right side panel from the center console, working from top to bottom. Next, carefully release the push clips or magnets holding the passenger footwell cover. With the cover loose, disconnect the two electrical connectors for the light and power outlet, then set the cover aside. Be gentle with these connections to avoid damage. With the footwell cover removed, you'll see the filter housing. Depending on your Model Y, you'll either remove a 6mm screw or squeeze two tabs to open the filter cover. Once open, carefully pull out the two old filters, one by one. Now, take your new filters and ensure the airflow arrows point towards the rear of the vehicle as you slide them into place, one on top of the other. To finish up, secure the filter housing cover, ensuring it clicks or screws firmly into place. Reconnect the two electrical connectors to the footwell cover, making sure they are snug. Then, resecure the footwell cover with its clips or magnets. Finally, snap the side panel back onto the center console. Your Tesla Model Y now has fresh cabin air filters, a simple task completed in about 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.